Hi everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate deferrals in Business Central using a very relatable example. As it is new year, we all would have taken a health related resolution. So let's take a gym annual membership scenario. In a gym business, the customer may pay one fully upfront, but we earn that revenue month by month. So the rule is simple. We invoice it now, but we earn that revenue later. Business Central helps us to do this automatically with the deferral templates. Let's see how to do it. Let's go to deferral templates. First, I'll quickly show the rules we have configured. So here we have a deferral code and then the description for a membership revenue of 12 months. And we have the deferral account already configured. So the deferral account which we have created is a balance sheet account. And I have created the deferral revenue gym membership. This is where we are going to park the deferred revenue. In deferral schedules, we have the deferral percentage, which is 100% here, and calculation method like straight line, which is basically a prorated by the period length, and then equal per period, which splits equally irrespective of the number of days, and days per period, which prorates based on the number of days in a month. So if it's 31 days in a month or 30 days, then accordingly it will calculate. And then user defined, which is basically a manual entry. Then start date. So here we have different start dates of our deferrals. So we can set as posting date itself or beginning of a period like first of a month or 31st of a month by end period, and then beginning of next period or beginning of next calendar year. Since it is 12 months, I have defined the number of period as 12 and then the period description. So here I've set the period description as monthly deferrals, and then percentage 4 indicates the month and then percentage 6 indicates the year. So it will nicely display as monthly deferral Jan 2026, Feb 2026, something like that. I'm going to create a sales invoice for our customer buying an annual membership. So here our customer Max is going to buy a gym annual membership. So I'm setting the posting date here as 1st Jan 2026, and then in the line items, so we have the gym membership related GL account, and then the deferral code field is available. So you can see the deferral code is selected as membership 12 month. So if suppose we wanted to change it, we can select it over here. Then I have entered the unit price as well. One good thing is in the deferral code field, we have the three dots. If we click on it, we can see the deferral schedule details as well. So here we would be able to understand a projection how the entries would be posted. So we can see different posting dates like Jan 2026, Feb, March, April. So like this, it would be available for the 12 months. Now let's post the sales invoice. Let's also go to the posted sales invoice and view the information. So we can verify the lines as well, and you can see the deferral code details would be available here as well. Let's go to the find entries, and here we will go to the GL entries to view the entries posted. So as you can see here, we would be seeing the entries for any sales invoice and also the respective entries posted to the balance sheet line item 26550, and then the revenue GL 40450. So here let's go to 26550 and then go to the ledger entries. So here you can see month by month the revenue entries had been posted. So this way Business Central automatically takes care of posting all this monthly entries. We can also set the deferral templates as a default value in the chart of accounts GL card as well. So when we wanted to set it, we go to the GL account card and then set the default deferral template value here itself. Likewise, we can also do it in the item master. So within the item master also we have this provision default deferral templates. So here also we can select it. So this way we don't need to select every time in the sales or purchase invoices. You can also control who to post the deferrals and then the period of allowing deferral to be posted from the user setup as well. You can go to the user setup and then here you would be able to see allow deferral posting from and to dates. So this way you can control who to post and then when to post. This feature is also available from the overall general ledger setup as well. So that way you can control it for the entire company as well. So you can see allow posting and allow deferral posting fields as well here. And that's the full deferral process in Business Central. So the key takeaway is using deferral process, you can make the customer pay once, but we don't call it revenue all at once. We earn it month by month. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.